Hello friends, my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored more than 50 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai Lama is in a foreword. In this short video, I talk about chatgpt. It's a powerful tool and a wonderful tool, and it is making waves globally recently, and it is like a second brain with lots of information, and it's a game changer, and it's very much required in the changing times and technologies. You can write research papers, and you can ask questions and you can get answers. So a lot of advantages, but again there are some challenges, because it may lead to uh, cheating in the examinations, and you may not get the accurate responses. So you have to be very careful with this powerful tool, uh, and it helps you improve the quality of lives, and it helps in health services. It helps in delegation. So lots of advantages, but overall you have to be very much careful. And let me share with you my challenge. I was blessed to be alive after the brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because the power of subconscious mind, and because the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. Uh, I was born in a toxic family and grew up into a toxic environment. I have mental challenges, physical challenges, financial challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose like a phoenix. The message from this short video is that ChatGPT is the need of the hour. It is required. Harness technology wisely and productively for social good, and also to improve the quality of lives. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.